John, you were right. These guys actually saved us over $200,000 just this year. Wait till Wayne and Pam see these figures.
Okay, let's see your budget report. Where did this money come from?
We started working with this group called Postal Advocate a year ago, and they reduced our mailing equipment costs by 63%. We also saved an additional $70,000 in vendor fees, overcharges, and recovered postage.
Where did you get the money to hire consultants for this?
Postal Advocate works on a contingency model. They only get paid if they save us money. If they don't find any, it's free.
Okay, I'm listening. Tell me more.
Postal Advocate focuses on companies like ours that have multiple locations with mailing equipment. We did some checking, and they work with some of the largest entities in the US.
They did a very thorough, free, no-obligation analysis for us to be able to define the savings opportunity. What surprised me was how little control we had over these spends. As an example, we had sites spending drastically different rates for the same equipment, even though we have a national contract with our vendor.
There were tens of thousands in fees that we didn't know about, and many sites were paying more for equipment than the postage being used.
How did we reduce costs by 63%?
Postal Advocate helped us negotiate better pricing from our vendor. But the big impact is the way they work with our field sites to define what their needs and to show options that suit their applications. In some cases, this included getting rid of the equipment or switching to PC postage.
What I like is that they managed the spend for us, including giving us a web-based dashboard that shows us all of our mailing expenses in one place. The reports we were getting from the vendors were spotty at best.
Postal Advocate eliminated over $20,000 in vendor fees and got us another $10,000 in refunds from areas that we were overpaying.
I was amazed at how much lost postage they found. 3 years ago, when we closed the Acme division, no one on our side went back to collect the postage that was sitting in those meters. Postal Advocate identified these accounts and helped us get this money back.
Just to sum it up, there are 3 main benefits with our partnership with Postal Advocate. They bring us savings and there's no risk. They manage the spend and make it easy. We have the top experts in the industry at our disposal.
Great job on this one.
I like the numbers that I'm seeing, and I'm looking forward to showing them at my board meeting next week. Great job on picking Postal Advocate as a strategic partner.